The token name is DAR token. The issuer is the Darts Corporation. The ticker is DAR. Standard ERC20 cross-chain to Darts chain. I'm about to review a project for you that has absolutely conquered the Japanese market and many other markets throughout the global expansion. Guys, this project is incredible. I'm very, very excited, but first disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, it is for education purposes only. So let's get straight into the video. So guys, it is Darts, and the link will be down below, okay? Head into Gas Zero. They want to be the pilot. Now, what exactly is this? This is an asset protection and profit sharing platform for the next generation. It's a blockchain-based network, and it allows for a preservation of individual existence and asset value as well as profit sharing. Guys, the current blockchain is Ethereum, and it is used for the basis of Web3, okay? But there are issues in the rising gas fees and price instability. We know that in total of Ethereum, when you're buying NFTs, whether it's on OpenSea, there's also crazy gas fees, okay? So in response, Dart have developed Darts Chain. This is the solution, the private blockchain for the efficient and expensive issuance and distribution of NFTs and RFTs. That's refunding tokens. This provides the solution, guys. They have found it, okay? This is a solution with the definition ESP to a problem. That means they have found it. So this could be the biggest chain on the whole of blockchain. This could be the one, the solution to Ethereum. This could overtake them. This Dart wallet is now available, okay? It is what it's called a wallet, but it is not a so-called wallet as you would know it, okay? While previous IT wallets have been used to wallets to hold crypto assets, such as tokens, NFTs, things like that. Dart's wallet functions are a contract wallet and is completely different from any existing wallet. Let me show you the video to explain this. So I'm going to show you this video, but what I want to do is talk over it for you because, like I said, they've mastered the Japanese market and it is actually in Japanese. So for everyone listening in English, okay, that's what it looks like. Look on the right-hand side of this phone. Okay, you have your display name on here. You can have all your different event tickets, which of course is where the NFT market is going through the Web3, okay? You can have your different cryptos listed on here as well. Guys, it's super, super easy, all right? Very, very easy. Whether it is handmade art that you want to display on here with your event titles or whether it's NFTs, whatever you have, okay, the refundable tokens, you can have on here. This Darts wallet is super, super cool. It's not like a normal wallet where you just hold crypto in here. There's a different purpose, okay? The Cinema Club is super cool, guys. I need you to read about that in the information when we get off here, but I just wanted to give you a little view of what it looks like inside of this wallet. So it's freely available, competent library, okay? There's individual people, things and movements, history, performance, and action records inside of here. It looks very cool. There's loads of ambassadors around now promoting this. YouTubers, everything, okay? If you're not a YouTuber, of course I'm going to tell you to become a YouTuber, okay? 2.4 million YouTuber subscribers already inside of this. There's loads of different cases, okay? They love doing charity organizations, the entertainment, everything with local currencies outside of Japan is about to start blowing up. The real and digital NFTing as well. Now, talking about the real side, okay, Darts is actually contracted with Maori HQ for 3 years and they have a permanent booth in the Shibuya Modi. So that means that this is a life-changing project, okay? This is literally everything you need to find in a real project that is not just talking about the innovation of NFTs, but coming into the real side of this wallet as well. It actually uses this to demonstrate the side of Dart's wallet. Inside of this, you can see the pictures. So if we scroll through some of these, okay, you can actually see what it looks like inside. Very, very, very cool, guys. First time I've seen this happen in a project. Now, I want to talk about the IEO for you with a minute before I go on to their Twitters and their announcement Telegram. Okay, Dart's Overseas IEO is very, very interesting. They want the initial exchange offering, by the way, that's what IEO stands for if you didn't know. They want that to happen. Okay, they want this to be the biggest. So the cooperation is pleased to announce that the P2P crypto exchange, IEO, is absolutely going to blow up. So the exchange is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2017 with a daily trading volume of approximately 1.5 billion, and the platform offers professional support, crypto projects entering the market, and offers a reliability and security high rated by Trustpilot, and probably the biggest platform in the world, Coin Market Cap. Okay, it also offers 24/7 support. So very, very interesting. Now, this is how the implementation schedule happens. It's going to start on January the 12th, 2024, 00 UTC. That's Universal Time Central. And January the 12th, 2024 on JST, which I suppose you can guess by going through this video is Japanese time at 0900. It finishes January 24th, okay? So it's going to be exactly 12 days and the exact same times it finishes. The token name is DAR token. The issuer is the Darts Corporation. The ticker is DAR. Standard ERC20 cross-chain to Darts chain. You can see the total last assurance here and you can see the initial insurance right here. The number of decimals is 18. Guys, this is super, super cool. Okay, the P2P crypto exchange, you can get it on App Store and on Google Play. And again, it talks about the solutions that they solve here. So on their information page, guys, you can see all their updated information. For example, you can see here the last one posted, their white paper version 2. is available, going all the way through to when the wallets are released, all the different information you need, guys. It's really, really cool, this information. I like it because usually you have to go to people's Twitter, you have to go to people's Telegram. They have it all on the website ready for you. So if at any point you think you've missed something, go straight to the information page and it'll all be there for you. Now, I want to take you over to the official Telegram, okay? It's at darts_incorporated. It is blowing up, guy. 18.5 thousand followers. Make sure you give me a huge follow from us. Let me know you're in the channel. It's getting crazy engagement, 113,000 on here, guys. So you know this is popping. But of course, you can't read that because it's in Japanese. Unless you are Japanese watching this, then you probably don't understand me. But going to their global Twitter, okay, they've just started building this up, so give them a huge follow. They only started less than a month ago, 911 followers, so now we can actually read the information on it. Like I said, they're trying to expand globally, and it is working. They're still getting crazy engagement, 5.2 thousand on their posts. So guys, of course, if you're English, go to their global one and give them a huge follow. But make sure you do follow their official one as well, so we can keep the momentum inside the company. They have a Telegram, so if you click the link down below this video, you can go to their announcements. Over 4,799 subscribers. Guys, it's super, super cool. You can get on here and read all the information. They have it in different languages for you, okay? They have all the different links as well. It's a very, very cool system. There you go. Straight from Japan to the rest of the world. We're going to be the ones that innovate this. If you want to be part of this, hit the link down below and get involved. Guys, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. And I'll see you on the next video.